Hey guys, Jen here from Hollywood Studios, and today we're gonna do a construction update because Star Wars Land opens in 8 days. Single digits, guys, single digits. But I'm gonna see if any of the stores have opened up, and I know there's been a couple changes, so follow along. The entrance to Hollywood Studios, all the construction is now done and the topiary's gone forever. Oh, it's so bland now. They do still have some like trees up around the cast member building, but it's all done and there's just nothing but some trees and lights. So now I just came through the security screenings from the tram. Directly to the right here is a second set of security booths that I'm not going to show from the buses, and this is all open now. The photo op is gone. Man, they are really making Hollywood Studios bland. They're taking all the fun stuff away. What the heck? So first up on our construction update is Mickey's of Hollywood, which has had 0 changes to it. It's still completely blacked out and completely under scrim. They have 8 days to go to get this open. Looks like some of the Halloween stuff is starting to come out. This is the Mickey Pumpkin Lanyard Medal, and this is $14.99. I also see this adorable Mickey pumpkin head. It is a reversible lanyard. It's spiders, and it's almost like a Black Widow, but it's a hidden Mickey. And then the Mickey pumpkins on the other side. And this is $15.99. Next up is this year's Vampire Mickey, and this is based off the theme this year. It is silver, so it's $9.99. They also have this year's Witch Mini with Figaro, also silver, $9.99. I love this. They have the Donald in the pin, and he is also silver, so $9.99. They also have the Werewolf Goofy. He's howling at the full moon, silver, $9.99. They have Mummy Pluto, and it looks like he's in the desert with the pyramids behind him. And look, he's wrapped in toilet paper, silver, $9.99. They have the Dr. Frankenstein and his monster, Chippendale. He is $14.99 because it's a 2-pin pack. They also have a 2-pack of villains. They have the Evil Queen, Just One Bite, and Cruella, a Real Devil. And it's $14.99, and I love like the mirror, like the frame around them. They also have this Happy Halloween 2019 with just a happy Mickey pumpkin, silver, so $9.99. They have Yoda force taking all the candy, and he is yellow, so he's $12.99. I think this one is my favorite though. I want you to join the dark side. Oh no, I want you for the dark side. And Vader is silver, so $9.99. And last but not least, we have Pumpkin BB-8, and he's adorable, and he is silver, so $9.99. These are awesome. They have the Dia de los Muertos Coco ears are back, and I think these might be different than before. I think I got the other ones for Christmas, so I'll have to check and see. If I can find them, I'll insert a picture right here. But they're $27.99, and I love them. Looks like the little candy shop in the back of the Five and Dime has been converted into a Halloween shop. So it does have all of the Halloween merch, with the exception of the Halloween party-specific merchandise. Look at these ears! These are new ears, because these were not out the other day, and I've never seen this before. It's a Dia de los Muertos Mickey ear hat. That is gorgeous. And this is $27.99, but it is stunning. They've also released this awesome Oogie Boogie like beanie cap, and it does have an elastic, so it is like semi-adjustable in size. And this is $24.99, and it even comes with a dangly spider. He's so cute. And someone had asked in one of the comments how much the Halloween droid is. He is $12.99. And Zero has a price here. The Zero that lights up with the like floatable leash is $30. And it looks like Keystone Clothiers is also still closed and all blacked out, and they even have some construction walls up a little down that way. Again, 8 days left. Better get a move on.
Benjamin, the beat starts to descend. This time when we play the game, we're going to pretend like we're playing the game at once. You know what that means now? I'm going to cheat. Now you know in advance that I'm going to cheat, so now the game becomes legal because you know it. Right? Here we go. Round number 2, playing with my friend Benjamin from Dallas, Texas. Is that correct? Here we go. Or as they call it sometimes, Big D. Benjamin, shell number 1, 2, or 3, please remember, I cheated. Which one tell? 2. 1 in a minute. That was right there. Just a minute ago, Benjamin, we had a conversation. I told you I was going to cheat at the game. Therefore, would no longer be underneath number 2. You now have a 50-50 shot between 1 and 3. I thought I should point that out to you, Benjamin. And you think that through and ponder that for a little while. How you feeling? 3. You want to go for 2? You want to go for 3 now? And sadly, I put it over here because that's where she originally wanted. Let's hear it for Benjamin. 63. Now 63 sounds like a particular number. Any reason you chose it or just the first number that sort of popped in your head?
It was just the first number in my head.
First number in your head. May I ask you, listen, hear my change? Nothing in my hand, right? I'm gonna reach in my pocket, I'm gonna pull out all my change along with my pocket. What was that number you said?
63.
63, 25, 35, 45, 55, 60, and 3 pennies.
Wow. So over here by the Indiana Jones Stunt Spectacular, the construction walls are down and they've put a new kiosk in. I cannot tell if this is going to be a snack stand or if this is going to be a DVC. I'll try and peek through. So this is definitely going to be some form of snack stand because there is a gentleman in a chef's uniform in there with some upper management. So this will be some new form of snack stand. So construction is continuing on the building here. I have no idea what this is going to be. I wonder if this is going to be where the Club 33 will be, although it doesn't look like a big enough building, so it can't be. I have no idea. But yeah, the construction walls have actually come out quite far, so there's now a very narrow walkway by the Sci-Fi Dine-In Theater. So you'll notice the gates into Batu are still open because today is the Passholder preview, and you'll even see people coming out with tons of merch because Passholder previews are still going on and will be going on, I believe, up until opening day. So quite a few people waiting to get in. So here in the art store by Muppets, they have all the exclusive Passholder merchandise in the store. So they have a bunch of different t-shirts out. Now these are actually not Passholder specific. Excuse me, these ones are not Passholder specific. These ones are. So these two are only available here. So here is the Passholder only Star Wars Galaxy's Edge pin. I love this one. It is $15.99. Do you know how many of these there were made?
Oh no.
Oh, okay. So it is just a limited released. He said there's quite a few made. So here is just the limited release magic band that anybody can get. It does have the Black Spire Outpost on it. I love this. And this one is B, so it's $29.99? Perfect. Thank you so much. And here is the non-Passholder Millennium Falcon pin. It does slide. The Millennium Falcon is on a slider, so it is a movable pin, and it is $15.99, so it's the same price as the Passholder one. The Passholder one is a little nicer. Here is the BB-8 one. It is BB-8 with a silhouette of Black Spire Outpost and the Millennium Falcon. $15.99 as well. Ooh, this is a cool patch. It's the Galaxy's Edge Landing 2019 Black Spire Outpost. It is looks like it's an iron-on, and it is $9.99. They also have this wickedly cool Millennium Falcon light up, and the neck piece, can you see it? The neck piece lights up as well. And it looks like it has different options. Trying to figure out how to turn it off. And this one is $15.96. They also have a Star Wars Galaxy's Edge landing in Docking Bay 5, 2019. This is a snapback, and it is a little bit more. It's $29.99. So I did find another new pair of ears here. This is like a pleather Jack and Oogie Boogie, and it just has 0 on the back, and the behind Oogie Boogie is just plain black leather. Okay, so I'm working my way back towards the front because I scored an Alien Swirling Saucers Fast Pass for like 10 minutes from now. So yeah, man, they really took away the entire walkway here. Oh wow, I don't know if you can see inside, but it is all tore up. Wow, it's just dirt. With 8 days until Galaxy's Edge open, this park's going to be a madhouse, and they're still starting construction projects. That's crazy to me. I wonder where Chip and Dale are, because they're usually over here. They still have the construction over here by Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. And did they tear a building down? I feel like there used to be a roof over this, but it's gone now? I may be crazy. But this still is covering the handicap ramp. So if you have a wheelchair or scooter or stroller, you want to go through, I'll show you in 1 second, the green archways over there. That will be your new wheelchair, scooter, or stroller ramp. Before I head into Toy Story Land for my Fast Pass, just a friendly reminder that the Super Shindig for The Incredibles does end on September 30th. I do not know, they haven't said if they're completely closing it or just shutting down the dance party portion, but the Super Shindig itself ends on September 30th, will be the last day.
Welcome to the backyard!
And here they come, Sarge and the Green Army Party Patrol!
If you think you've got what it takes, fall in line and follow.
Easiest way to get through Toy Story Land unimpeded? Follow the Green Army Man Marching Brigade. Alright, the Green Army men may be playing behind me, but this is what I came for. The construction walls are down, looking into the back entrance of Galaxy's Edge, and you can kind of see some rock formations off in the back. Way off in the distance, you can see rocks. Oh, 8 days, guys, 8 days. You can even see a wing to the plane way off in the distance. And now it is time for my Techno Toy Story Fast Pass. What? So last time I sat on the outside and it was terrible. So this time I'm gonna try sitting right in the middle since I'm by myself. See if it's any better. Did you guys know that the best air conditioning, the reflection on this, did you guys know that the best air conditioning in Hollywood studios is here in One Man Stream? It's a huge building, plenty of little corners to kind of hide in and sit and get some air for a little bit. And I even have a little movie to watch. Bubbles! Wow, giant bubbles. And last but not least on our stop is Legends of Hollywood Sunset Salutations is also still closed. Man, they really need to get a move on because they're gonna need these stores in 8 days. So it looks like Chip and Dale moved to the front of the park. Where did Donald and Daisy go?
Hey, Sarah.
Okay, so I don't know if you can see it, but I am officially racing the rain to my car because I'm walking towards the rain and the rain's coming towards me. Will I make it? And in my rush to get to my car and beat the storm, which I didn't, I got soaked as soon as I got home because it started to torrential downpour as I got out of my car. I forgot to do an outro. So there was some really cool, the Halloween pins this year are amazing. I'm so excited that the construction walls are down in Toy Story Land. Cannot believe all 3 stores are still closed though. There's only 8 days left to get them open. And the topiary's gone in the front. Big changes. But if you like these videos, please click that subscribe button, tap the like, and ring that notification bell so you always know when a new video is headed your way. Thank you so much for watching, and now we're on to the next adventure. Bye guys!